Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to classify text using scikit-learn. In this presentation, we'll take you through the exciting journey of building a classifier that can categorize text into 5 different topics: politics, sports, technology, entertainment, and business. Packages to be used. To kick things off, we're using pandas, a powerful Python library for data manipulation and analysis. Next up is scikit-learn, a versatile machine learning library in Python. Now, let's talk about 2 key components of our project: multinomialNB and CountVectorizer. This is the dataset that we will be using. Roles of our project. So, why is this project important? Imagine a world where you can instantly filter news articles based on your interests. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or a tech-savvy individual. First, we import pandas as PD and load a CSV file named file.csv into a data frame called data. We then extract the text column as our feature, X, and the label column as our target, Y. Next, we split our data into training and testing sets using train test split, with a test size of 20% and a random state for reproducibility. We import CountVectorizer and MultinomialNB, respectively. Then, we create a pipeline named Vecto that consists of 2 steps: CountVectorizer for converting text into numerical feature vectors and MultinomialNB as our classifier. After fitting the pipeline to the training data using vecto.fit, we're ready to make predictions. In this example, we have a sample text stored in the list C. We use vecto.score to evaluate the accuracy of our model on the test set. The accuracy of our model is 97%. We use vecto.predict to predict the category of the sample text. Here politics means 0, sports 1, technology 2, entertainment 3, and business 4.